If SEO optimized blog titles are crucial for your business, then you know that they are so time consuming to write. And the whole process of getting them to create value for your customers while calling them to action, while following SEO best practices, can be pretty draining. But did you know that you can write blog content now up to 8 times faster using artificial intelligence? This tool can be used to pick an SEO optimized blog title for any industry. Allow you to pick from introductory paragraphs to choose the tone and structure of your article, outline everything, and once that's all set, it'll straight up write an entire article for you. It'll even find a royalty-free image for you to add. You can play around with this tech yourself for free at Writesonic.com. Just click on the Article Writer 3.0.
I'm the kind of G your little homies wanna be like, on my knees in the night saying prayers in the street light.
You want to know how to use AI to create 5,000 word SEO optimized articles based on any topic you want in less than 5 minutes? I use these on my website and it literally indirectly brings me clients that pay thousands every month. The first thing you want to do is head over to Writesonic.com and sign up. You'll see there's a load of different tools here, but we're going to use the AI article blog writer and use the article writer 3.0. It will then take you to the article title section. The idea we're going to input is why is organic traffic so important to websites. All you have to do is pick the article title that works for you and click. Then do the same for article intro, outline, and then click write article. It will then create the article for you. If you want to read this article through, this post is available on boundlesspotential.co/blog or is within my link tree in my bio.
I wanted to talk about the difference between Chat GPT and Writesonic. So I'll use Writesonic sample question, which teams reached the quarterfinals in this year's FIFA World Cup. And as you can see, it can search the internet and actually generate the specific answer for me. As opposed to Chat GPT, when I ask it the same exact question, it can't give me the specifics, but it does give me a longer description of what the thing actually is.
If you want to write 1,500 words article in 15 seconds, go to Writesonic. Click on AI Article and Blog Writer. Choose AI Writer 3.0. Insert topic, language. Generate ideas. Choose idea from here. Generate intro. Select your preferred intro here. Generate outlines. Choose one favorite outlines. All things ready. This is where the magic happens. Boom! It's super simple. You can even sign up for free.
Websites I really wish I knew earlier, part 36. Let's go. If you go to Writesonic, you'll find a super advanced AI writer that writes in 25 different languages and generates the longest articles that you will find online by using this crazy feature. Describe your main topic, I will go for digital marketing basics. Choose your language, I will go for English. Hit generate ideas. And the platform generates the titles for you. I will choose 5 digital marketing tips. An intro, I will go for this one. And the sections that you can choose like this or go for individual ones. In less than a minute your article is ready, and if you have a WordPress website, you can post with one click.
Let's compare Chat GPT with other AI writers. Writesonic is just like Chat GPT, except it's up to date. Let's ask about the FIFA World Cup, which is relatively new. As you can see, Chat GPT can't answer events after 2021. Let's ask the same question to Writesonic. Look at how Writesonic answers the FIFA question. Join our live stream to see more AI examples.
Did artificial intelligence just kill Google? I guess it did. You must have seen the noise about OpenAI chatbot that is changing everything we know, and this one is like ChatGPT with superpowers. Stay with me till the end and you won't believe what this can do. Open the chat and start asking AI whatever you want, even through voice. By clicking this, compare iPhone 13 with iPhone 14. And check it out, you're gonna get a full detailed answer with the latest Google data available. Insane. Which teams reached the quarterfinals of World Cup? Let's see. You get a very detailed answer and a very accurate one. You can even generate HD images of Lionel Messi from World Cup and download them. And of course, ask to write anything like emails, essays, articles like content marketing trends for 2023. Insane, enjoy.
Websites you won't believe exist. Chatsonic claims to be an improved version of Chat GPT. It has a few improved features, such as the fact that it's up to date with current events, as opposed to Chat GPT, where training data ends at 2021. It also understands voice commands. It can generate art from prompts. And best of all, it has API access, so you can use it within your applications.
I hate writing blog posts, so I have AI do it for me. The website's called Writesonic. Their AI will write 1,400 human-level posts in 15 seconds. Start with a topic and it'll generate possible titles. Once you pick a title, then you'll select an intro for your article, then an outline, and then finally the entire article written out in just a few seconds. Try it for free at the link in my bio.
Today we're going to talk about Writesonic. Writesonic is an AI writing tool which helps to write high-performing copy, which resonates with our target audience. Writesonic has this amazing dashboard where we can see the various options and templates we can use for our content marketing strategy. The advantage of using Writesonic over ChatGPT is that Writesonic uses a more advanced and powerful AI that can keep up with current news and events. So we can rely on it for precision and dependability. Let's start by giving a specific instruction to Writesonic. An interesting feature of Writesonic is that it can generate images using AI. We can also use Writesonic to write compelling ad descriptions for our Facebook advertisements. Thus, we can conclude by saying that Writesonic is an effective and powerful tool when it comes to AI-powered content writing.
If you're looking for an AI-powered writing tool to help you generate content quickly and efficiently, both Writesonic and Reacher are excellent options. While both tools use AI to generate content, they have unique features that make them suitable for different types of content and users. Writesonic is perfect for those who need to create short-form content quickly and easily. Its simple interface and range of templates and prompts make it easy to generate high-quality copy for product descriptions, social media posts, and other short-form content. On the other hand, Reacher is a more comprehensive tool that offers a wider range of features and customization options. Its headline generator, email sequence generator, and other tools make it well suited for those who need to create longer-form content such as articles and emails. Both tools have their strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to consider your specific needs before choosing one. Whether you're a small business owner, marketer, or content creator, both Writesonic and Reacher can help you save time and generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently. With their AI-powered writing capabilities, these tools are changing the game for content creation and allowing users to focus on what they do best, creating content that resonates with their audience.